You have been there for me all my life and loved me through both joy and strife. With gratitude, I would like to say, have a happy Father's Day. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a watch box for Father's Day. This is a very easy DIY where you can use any cardboard box to make this watch box. The base of the box that I have is dark in color. So first of all, I'm going to paint it white with white gesso. So I had this car print paper with me. I have torn out the car print and going to first paste it on the lid with the help of Mod Podge. You can use a laser print of your favorite picture also for this step. Now I have taken shades of greens mixed with white and yellow to merge the picture and the background. Take your time to do this step. Also, if you're liking the video, then do consider subscribing to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you get the notification whenever I'm going to upload my next video. Here I'm just putting black and white color splashes. That's it for today's videos, guys. Bye bye.